what I want to tell you is that we have the software, we have not only the tools needed in the best credit blueprint, but at the same time, we have the company that will be able to help you to get from point A to point B. Now, that's a one-stop shop for your credit repair to get you to where you want to go, because we don't know who else is going to apply or adopt the FICO 10T. And if what's going on, my credit snipers? This is the Warriors Investors channel. This is Warriors Investors. We bring to you anything and everything that has to do with leadership mindset, entrepreneurship. We teach you about real estate, but mainly we teach you about credit repair, credit education, and the best credit solutions. Now, guys, remember, if you're new to our channel, make sure to like and share. Give us a thumbs up. Guys, if you give us a thumbs up, the YouTube gods will help us out and help us bring you more and more videos. Remember, we're gonna be here daily. So what I'd like for you guys to do is to make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so. But at the same time, I believe it's gonna be right here. Make sure that you click on that bell icon and click all. So like that, you also are notified whenever we post some new videos. Now, guys, my name is Carlos Estrada Vega, and once again, this is the Warriors Investors channel, and we bring to you the best credit blueprint. Now, today we're gonna be talking about FICO 10T. FICO 10T. What is FICO 10T? Now, FICO 10T is FICO 10 trending. What does that mean? So FICO 10T, so FICO 10 trending, like I said, is a snapshot of the past 24 months. So it's no longer as a FICO 8, which is one of the main models used by Experience and some of the creditors. Almost all creditors use a FICO 8. And what they do is they use this model, FICO 8, in order to see what's your current score, your current snapshot, and your current credit profile. Now, FICO 10T, FICO 10 trending, is going to be the 24 trending months, 24 past trending months, which will give them a snapshot of everything that went on. Now, guys, if you are 750 and below, this is going to affect you a little bit. Now, a lot of analysts are saying 715. Some other analysts, mainly all of them, are talking about 750. So it's your responsibility, if you are not 750 or above, to make sure you start working on your credit, guys. I'm going to tell you what we could do for you, but at the same time, you don't have to. I want to be honest with you. You could take what I give you and want to give value to you from the bottom of our heart. We want to help you out, but you want to do your own research, go for it. Now, think about this. Anytime that you want to get ahead on life, you always want to have a mentor, a coach, or a teacher that teaches you what you're looking for, so that helps you cut through the BS that person has gone through in life. So if you take it from me, I created what's called the best credit blueprint, and it was for me. I created a blueprint for myself, and I was able to go ahead and jot it down for myself, never thinking about that I was able to help thousands. But once I found my value and the value that this had in me and how I want to help others, then I decided to put it out there. So we could help you. We could help you with the best credit blueprint, or you could do your own research. But I'll be honest with you, it's going to take you between 12 to 18 months. It took me almost 18 months to go from 595 to a 804 that I am right now. So what I want to tell you is, it's your responsibility to either go research, start doing this, but I need you to know that you got to do this as soon as possible. And why is this? I'm going to give you an example or a little story that just happened. I have one of my friends out here in New York that he went to get a vehicle. He went to get a Porsche, a new Porsche, beautiful vehicle. We helped him out. He was 725, and a year ago, his credit wasn't so good. So we helped him out to actually clear a collection that he had and some inquiries and a late payment, which shot up his credit almost 100 something points. So with that said, the dealership pulled the FICO 10T, which they gave them the snapshot of everything that went on for the past 24 months. So guess what, guys? Unfortunately, my friend did not get the vehicle that he went there for. But this is what it's telling me. FICO 10T was actually put out back in 2020. And they said that they were going to implement it. But a lot of vendors, and I believe with what went on with COVID, they didn't implement it on time, or they decided not to implement it. But it is starting to happen. Guys, get on the grind. Start doing what you need to do in order to fix your credit. Guys, we could help you out. In the Best Credit Blueprint, we have a lot of nuggets. Not only that, we could even help you. We got vendors that could help you get from point A to point B the faster. Now, we're going to teach you everything that you need to do in order to actually get your credit right. We're going to teach you how to fish. We're just not going to give you that fish. But at the same time, as I want you to learn, we also have vendors that will help you, that will be able to help you to get from point A to point B faster. So a credit repair company that will be able to help you the fastest possible. Guys, so what I want to tell you is that we have the software, we have not only the tools needed in the Best Credit Blueprint, but at the same time, we have the company that will be able to help you to get from point A to point B. Now, that's a one-stop shop for your credit repair to get you to where you want to go, because we don't know who else is going to apply or adopt the FICO 10T. And if you know where you were a year ago, 2 years ago, 24 months from back, or even right now, if you know that you have upcoming purchases and this is a concern of you, hey, let us help you. Not only that, we also partner up with a lot of vendors that we want to call ourselves a one-stop shop. We help you fix the credit, we help you repair it, and we also help you get the funding for what you're looking for. Okay, guys, look, once again, my name is Carlos Estrada Vega. I'm with the Best Credit Blueprint. It is your responsibility to learn about credit. It's your responsibility to help yourself create the life that you deserve. We're in the United States, guys, and we are able to do so many things that other countries can. So, and that's one of the things, debt. We are able to get the debt, but you need to be able to actually fix your credit. And that could be used to actually create wealth. So do that. Learn about it. We're going to be putting more videos on that, and that's a topic for another day. But if you want us to help you, the Best Credit Blueprint is here. Call us, 866-533-1444. 866-533-1444. Let us help you. Again, you have the option. Just take this knowledge, put it in practice, do your own research, work on it. Not a problem. You want to do it yourself, it's going to take a little bit longer, but you have the right. But if you want us to help you, let us help you. We will help you. We'll do our best. And guys, hey, look, you know what? Give us a call. We'll sit down. We'll talk. We'll see what works best for you. And if you're not a match to what we have to do, we're going to tell you right away. We want the business. We want to provide something to you that we have. If we don't have what you're looking for, we won't be a match. So once again, 866-533-1444, the Best Credit Blueprint. This is the War Investors channel. I am Carlos Estrada Vega. Please don't forget to make sure you like, share, thumbs up. Make sure that you actually subscribe to our channel and click on that bell icon so like that you'll be notified when we post a new content. I'll see you inside.